Wha Gwann, Jamaica. We're at a location that is totally legendary.
How long have you guys been here?
For 17 years. This is Pudding Man. Wha Gwann, Jamaica. We're here at the legendary Pudding Man at Priory in St. Anne's. Bosh, bum.
You have to watch your step when you're coming out of this. There it is.
Will you know any of the people to go and like be able to take off the pot?
We have to ask. I didn't get to talk to them yet. Okay. So his son is in there. See him? He's cutting up pudding in there. Okay. And the smell out here is ridiculous. Have you ever seen anything like this?
Never. I'm just getting that real like sweet, carroty, banana-y smell through the smoke. I mean, the fact that this is just on the road and the kind of like middle of nowhere, just a spot that's just known for pudding. That's all it's known for, Pudding Man. You said Pudding Man, you know exactly where it is. Mate, this is legendary. I cannot wait to dig in.
Can't wait to taste to see that the smell alone is fantastic.
There's just a cross between, I'm getting like carrot, I'm getting banana, and then I'm getting marijuana.
Surprised you're not getting white rum too.
Nobody had a size plate. Nobody already. Bring everyone, Daniel. One. How much size is one?
Yeah,
one family.
One
so
pudding.
You make interview, you think I do?
No, I'm never here. I'm never here.
One family, man. You don't right, tell me what right. Don't know, say the rest of them own it from back. Nothing go long.
Yeah, man.
Know what year, I have to tell you. But we not even know when they walk.
Yeah.
Look up us.
But we know
they want an interview, look up us. My come man, because of forward. My Jamaica was a forward, and that's a come.
No, sir, forward we say. Yeah, man. So we're waiting on Pudding Man's son. Pudding Man is not here, he's not usually here.
What's that?
So we're waiting on his son. Okay. He's going to come out and speak to us. Pudding Man is normally here.
I see.
So his son is going to come out and tell us about the place. Tell us what they have and stuff.
Well, I mean, you can tell that like this place obviously gets busy because it's on the outside. It's just basically a cake shop. But inside, you've got the bars on the outside. You've got like a wheel to stop you from like being able to reach over to get the till. Obviously busy. It's obviously
it's a supermarket. It's a pudding shop. It is everything. You even have a look on the menu. They have breakfast, porridge, noodles, yeah man, everything. Yeah man, respect man. And my first man, you all in.
Yes,
and now I got the last.
Right, not the last, I'm father.
Yeah man. So this is Todd. Yeah man.
Nice to meet you.
Yes man.
Now we go outside,
No problem man.
17.
Yes sir, my father was here from 17. Came down here from 2003. Started this establishment. Before we never used to do pudding, but generationally, slowly by time, Daddy figured out the pudding could be a good investment in the business, because back then we used to have a green grocery store. So my father invented the pudding, but both my father and my mother invented the pudding, and now my mom invented the different type of pudding while my father invested in it, but it's still both of them together. Miss Ione Angela Matthews Wallace and Mr. Edgar Alexander Wallace, both proprietors of Just Cook Pudding Shop Limited.
Yeah man. Are your name?
My name is Abijah Wallace.
Abijah.
And why is the pudding so special? How do you cook it? Because this looks very iconic.
Okay, let me tell them. This is Mr. Hakeem. This is one of our greatest bakers. Hakeem, would you mind go for the machine so we can show them how it's done through the pudding?
Yeah man.
Thank you.
Yes sir.
Fire butter, right? Put it in, make a fire top, charcoal, bake it.
We both do both top and bottom of the
Are you able to do this one? Just get in the sunlight?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Potato.
Potato.
You have any different type of pudding?
Yeah, but what's the potato over here?
Only potato. At this time we only have potato pudding.
Only potato, no banana.
No, we don't have none at the moment.
You have some inside?
Yeah, we have some.
One piece of that for me, you know?
Yeah, man, me is also.
Yeah, man.
I just get one more time on here.
Yes.
Thanks, brother.
So we call that hella bottom, hella top, and heaven in our middle.
Right.
Tell us a little bit about this technique.
This technique, alright, let me tell you. We bake the butter and we put it in a pudding pot.
It's from
We put the fire under the bottom and we put fire at the top, but we have to measure the amount of heat that goes on the bottom and the top so that we can get a perfect inside and outside texture of the pudding. But the main key is we can't put too much on the top and too much on the bottom, because you're going to have a black bottom and you might have a black top. And we need to cook it and watch it thoroughly. Probably like 45 minutes and it's ready. And we make natural slush with the pudding so it can caramelize. So when it's ready, you can have it. Wow. Yes, sir.
I'm real. Thank you.
And natural, full natural coconut
Full
milk.
natural coconut.
Yeah,
only vegan. No preservative, no oil. The only thing, everything is natural. Natural, no butter, no none. Just natural pudding, vegan food. You can both be vegan and vegetarian.
Yeah, man. Wow. Respect, man. That's nice.
Can we get some shots of you glazing?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to put the glaze on natural coconut vegan rasta pudding.
It's a proper Rasta pie.
Careful of the slippers right here. Can I just stand right there? Careful how you wear shoes or slippers. You see that? That's hot embers, hot coal, hot coal. This is when you say we're in the gungo.
Really?
Gungo is the peas and the peas in the pot.
Okay.
So when you take out the gungo peas, that means they know that you are in it. So now we're in the gungo. Oh, that. That's that. Yeah, man. Yes, my bro. Respect. Down there. Wow. That one is fresh off of the fire.
Yeah, just off.
Oh, look at that. Wow. It's easier than taking the sand off the pig.
It's like coconut slush.
That's the coconut
Sugar,
sauce.
yeah.
Why not that?
You have sugar, coconut, dry coconut. Some other recipe we can't tell you.
So secret, nothing wrong with that, man. Keep the secret, man. I want pudding, man. Should smell that. Oh my god. Sorry.
What's on up?
Now you see why they put the slush on top is to caramelize it. Also give the extra sweetness. Nice and hot. You see the steam?
Could you just pick that up again for me?
See the steam off it? Yeah, man, no problem.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, man.
No problem, boss.
Yeah, man, that's proper, brother.
Alright, keep talking. Thank you.
When I sell them that too?
No. That's not a cool one. That way we use to make juice. We also make
When I have natural juice?
Yeah, man, we make beetroot. Let me show you.
Hold on.
Coconut juice.
Yeah, man, more some juice, man.
Just hold that for me in front of
Sure.
you. Just so I can get a picture. Is that hot?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, man, make milk shake. Hold on, let me rub. Hold on.
Natural juice as well. So the natural juice in here and
This is coconut water, right? This is June plum juice, beetroot. Let me tell you. June plum, cucumber with honey, beetroot and carrot with honey, coconut water, cane juice, pure just cane juice, and this one our milkshake cashew, grape nut ice cream, and peanut.
Sound like one know they call Magnum.
Yeah.
Try
But
man.
I just call Magnum.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That, me definitely need some of that. That's the natural juice I told you I was looking for. Yeah, man. That's the natural juice.
All year.
Coconut water, definitely I take one of this. But definitely I take one of this. But definitely I take one of this. I'm probably I take one of this too. What do you want? No, man, we can get something else.
All year quality. Natural.
No, man, that's beetroot. You want some coconut water as well?
What's this one? What?
That is June
June plum, man, and cucumber with ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get one of them.
Yeah.
Hold on. You better hit it in there.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Shot for the tree coconut water.
Bar, we go with it, man.
I'm gonna go fit in your boss. Everybody that come, I'm gonna
Fresh jelly that. Yeah, man. This is not bucket jelly where you put on. It's a chopped jelly where you put in there.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Right
You need
up
somebody
by
to
tree.
look like you rum in you, you know.
No, why?
Especially I work with.
No, you know what I am, man. You know what I am.
A veteran, man.
I'm going to Jamaica here. That's the deal.
Yeah, man. That hit the spot ready for some pudding now.
But it's so well got there.
Yeah. You know everything said.
You know everything
I don't
said.
know what I deal with, man.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
No, you want me bring you other type of pudding? We can bring some pudding and show you different type of pudding.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Definitely.
This name quarter pudding. This because that's straight coconut.
Quarter.
Quarter. Straight coconut pudding. Open that up there. So this is banana. Banana pudding. Pure banana. Let's see which one that. Pumpkin pudding. Right. That's straight pumpkin pudding. My pumpkin pie won't make it a pudding. It's a caramel pudding. It's like caramel with coconut shreddings. So potato toast, right? And this I want to start in the potato pudding. Yes, what about?
So originally you made potato pudding,
Right.
and now you make
Yeah, my
six
mother's-
over time.
Yeah, daddy make the potato pudding. My mother start experiment. Wow. They start go with banana, pumpkin, potato, and tomato. And she do all of this with no sight. However, the power she had come from God.
Wait, so your mum's wife?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, man.
And all this.
Yeah, and she a manager. She run all of this. She and my father. People might not really see my mother, but I'm mostly make the ingredients deal with the different type of style that comes with the food. You understand? Daddy have business, and even the pudding pop, and mommy give it cook everything to our mind and willingness. You understand?
What makes the pudding so good?
I make pudding so good. I tell you the truth, we try our best. You know, every single thing we do, we try to make it please the customer them. Yes, we might make a little mistake here and there. You understand? Because we understand. Sometimes we make a little mistake with the theater and understand. But we try at 100% give the customer what they deserve and what they need. You understand? Try very hard. Which we not blame no customer, because guess what, the customer always right. And we keep their opinion on food. So the more they talk to it, the more we upgrade and upgrade and upgrade and upgrade. Because we never turn back to our customer when they come for them leaves in talking. But we still give thanks to the Jamaican people and the people come from abroad, forcing we. Because without no Jamaicans and without no person abroad, we wouldn't have this business here today. Yeah, that's like we help the community. We bring customers, and the customers also find other business establishments around here. Like some other cook shop up the road, on the corner, you understand?
When people talk about one love in Jamaica, that one love is in the food.
Yes, man.
What is that one love to you?
Rastafari. God come, he bless the night food, he take away, he carry and say, alright, I'll make you food this way, I'm doing that the God way. We're not doing that now, the evil way, we're doing for the heart. And for the heart we do it, we can never fail. You understand? Yes. No, I'm going to tell them about them. I go on them, man. I go on them. Juice them. I go on there, juice them. Yes, man, no problem. Me put the family in. However, they're supposed to kill me. Let me kill the owner. You see it? That's what give it out. No. So you want to put them, this is all I put them. The sad thing is, the only thing which they have the carrot and the, what the other put name again? No, they get total. I carrot already done. So we have a normal one, carrot, the carrot one, the one, the bun, butter and the pumpkin. But but it take time. That one, the hard to make. You know, finish. It's hard to make. Hard. This is a fair one, boss. Right now, more time over here, I have a cashier that we need to let more thing and see it. By the way, where you're posting him, you can't see him.
Jamaican Food boss.
You never come here before, man.
Of course, I'm gonna tell you something come here already, man. I'm gonna come a couple times, man.
What you mean? Hey, come again.
I mean, man, I always have to forward and pick up the place.
You just is a better.
Always have to pick up the
Come in,
place.
you know some subscribe thing already, you know, man. Come in, you come here already, man, by yourself, man. Give thanks, man. Give thanks.
My grandfather, I still want something.
What you want?
If you want get some more juice.
We act like so you pay me.
No, man, you get some more. Want some more. You want some carrot walk.
Alright, we are.
With the steak.
Want some more pudding. No matter. I just anything you can.
We know where we are.
Yeah, man.
Aki, come here. See, you pay me. Now listen to me and say. Because so, tell him what kind of juice you want and make him give you. I give you coconut water. What kind of food you want to put in what I want? What kind of food you want to want?
More potato pudding, more torta, more banana. Yeah.
We couldn't just come here and order one pudding. That looks insane. I'm not holding back, I'm going straight in. Wow. The texture is crazy. It's kind of like, I've got no idea how to describe this any minute. You bite into the cake and it's like super dense, super stodgy, but then you get this like real like hard sweetness from that coconut glaze which they paste all over the top of the cake. The thing I love about this the most though is like that sweet and subtle smokiness from the pan on the side of the road. You can just tell that this is just baked with so much love. That one love here in Jamaica. Rastafari. If you can't take a date, take a mate. Enjoy.
How much fun is special then?
No man, that's 350. That's good. It's a beer.
A beer?
In Evans,
What's a beer?
What kind of beer that?
Yeah, restaurant.
That's not a beer.
Oh, that looks so watered down.
No, it's guy. I told you say what?
Man, a bush rum, you know.
No, sir.
A bush rum.
I call him Biggs. He's big when you buy now and you get a back for all the others. But I know. No, I'm not lying, man. No, I'm not lying. Talk. I'm saying where's the pudding, right? Yeah.
One more time. Sweet potato. Like coconut torta.
Yeah, coconut. I'm sorry.
Wha Gwann, Jamaica. We're here at the legendary Pudding Man in St. Anne's Bay. St. Anne's Bay?
Priory.
Priory Bay.
Yeah. The Priory.
Okay, cool. Wha Gwann, Jamaica. We're here at the legendary Pudding Man at Priory Bay.
Just Priory, mate. Just Priory.
Priory. Okay.
Priory in St. Anne's.
Okay, in St. Anne's. Wha Gwann, Jamaica. We're here at the legendary Pudding Man at Priory in St. Anne's. Bosh. Bomber clap.